The Blue Diamond Tree Shear for skid steers cuts trees up to 12 inches in diameter with ease. The powerful 5 by 12-inch cylinder produces 29 tons of force at 2,500 psi. By simply pulling a pin, the tree shear will rotate 90 degrees, perfect for cutting limbs or fallen trees. The Blue Diamond Tree Shear is ruggedly built with a 1-inch thick T1 steel cutting edge. Our tree shear's flexible design provides excellent visibility whether you're cutting standing trees, fallen trees, or clearing limbs. Let's show you what you can do with the Blue Diamond Tree Shear.